Hello everyone. Now that we learned how density function works in a stream, it is time to have a look at another function in add field, which is surface bias. So surface bias is a command which lets you to shift your minimal surface through the direction of the normal vector in that, either in a negative way or positive way. So as you see here, it is made from minus to +1, and the default one is 0. So the shape that I created here already is surface bias of 0. This is the ideal situation for your surface. But let's have a look at surface bias -1. So you gotta, like usual, you gotta select your envelope, and I'm gonna go with +1. Okay, go with calculate. Notice I did not change anything else. Okay, the calculation begins, and eventually we can compare the results to see how your minimal surface changes by changing the surface bias. The SDK popped up appeared. Let's wait for it to be over. Okay, the calculation is over, and now we can have the surface bias shape here. There we go. So you can clearly see the change of the structure and the movement of the minimal surface to +1. Let's do it also with -1, and after that we will see a comparison of these three. So let me go to add field again. So I select this body, sorry for the surface bias, and let's do -1 this time. Okay. Notice that you can easily feel the number between 0 to 1 and -1 to 1 in general, and it is not a problem at all. You can go with 0.5, 0.6, or whatever number that you need. It should be in the range of -1 to +1. Okay, so calculation is gonna start in a few seconds. There we go, this is started. Okay, the calculation is over, and now we have this other shape. As you see here, the surface bias is -1. Let's have a look from the top to the bottom, and you see a complete different shape that your minimal surface has shifted to the negative side. We can have a comparison here in the next image together of surface bias. See you in the next lesson.